This is done. Right, look at that. Look at that. Beautiful, hearty meal. My name is Shah. I'm a landscape photographer, passionate adventurer, mountain biker, and a devoted conservationist. A few years ago, my freedom and independence was nearly taken away from doing what I love by becoming a carer for my special needs son. Since then, I've doubled the stakes of my mission to make nature and the outdoors an inseparable and fundamental part of every family. This has now become my project. Good morning and welcome to this week's episode of the Shah project, and I hope you've enjoyed the past campsite cooking episodes that I've made for you guys. I absolutely love it. I enjoy it. I love cooking anyway, especially when it's simple, quick cooking. I love it. Once again, just to let you know, campsite cooking is meant to be simple, it's meant to be nutritious, and it's meant to be yummy, and that's exactly what this meal is. One of my family's favorites when we go camping, one of my favorites when we go camping, and these are the ingredients. So we got cauliflower, we got some potatoes, we got some tomatoes. These are the cherry tomatoes, the orange ones, kind of sweet. We've got some spring onion, don't need much, and we've got some eggs, which is also going to be seasoned with a bit of the fish seasoning. Can you tell I love my seasoning? The fish seasoning is absolutely fantastic, and it's got a bit of salt, onion, garlic, lemon peel, black pepper, dill, parsley, demerara sugar. It's absolutely fantastic, this stuff. So no fish in there, it's just herbs and spices. And we're going to top it off with a little bit of Emmental cheese, grated Emmental. So can you tell what I'm going to make? So first things first, I'm going to chop up all the vegetables so it's all ready. Then all I have to do is cook it in the pan. But the aim of campsite cooking is to make it simple, but also to have everything ready and prepared. So when you cook it, it's really quick, and also the fact that for some reason campsites and stoves, camping stoves, they tend to cook things a lot quicker. It's really strange, but it does actually speed up cooking. But the whole idea is have everything ready, so you just add the ingredients to the meal and cook it up and lap it up once you're done. So with the tomatoes and the spring onion, I'm going to combine 3 eggs, and that's going to cook together. The cauliflower and the potato is going to cook first. So this will go on top of the cauliflower and the potato. So 1 egg yolk, and the rest, the 2 of them, are going to be just egg white. I'm going to add a little bit of milk, a little bit of the fish seasoning and a little bit of salt and pepper. It's going to be cooked in coconut oil. It just has this certain flavor, very mellow, but it brings out all the rest of the ingredients, including the spices. If you don't use coconut oil, try it sometime. It's really good. It's very mellow. Let's get the cauliflower and the potatoes in there. Take a look at the coconut oil. There's no yellowish tint. It's clear. It's so pure. And when it comes to washing up, coconut oil just comes off the pan, literally drips off the pan, and it's as clean as anything. I just feel that coconut oil is good for your health, but also if it's clean on the pan and it's clear on the pan and it comes off the pan very clean when you wash up, it probably means it's great for your system as well, for your body. Right, I'm going to season this with the fish seasoning as well. And I'm going to also add some black pepper, lots of black pepper, and of course a little bit of salt. The potatoes and cauliflower should cook in about 7 to 8 minutes, not longer than that. And the egg mixture, which has the spring onions and the orange cherry tomatoes, should take about 5 minutes. So all in all, you can have a lovely nutritious meal on a campsite out and about within 15 minutes. This is really tasty. It's got a lot of protein. It's just good for you. It's really wholesome, and that's why the family likes it. It's got so much flavor to it. In go the eggs. So I may just scramble it, but you have two options. You could scramble that, or you could have an omelette. You decide. That smells so good. The fish seasoning. Oh, and the cauliflower and the potatoes, you can smell it. It's so good. Since I'm going to scramble it, I'm going to add a bit of cheese to make it nice and gooey in the middle. This is one of my favorite cheeses, Emmental, and when it's grated, the flavor is wholesome. I'm just gonna add a little bit more fish seasoning. I love the flavor of dill. It goes really well with this as well. Tastes very creamy. You're watching me cook eggs. Fantastic eggs. Give it some thought and let me know in the comments section, what is your favorite recipe using eggs? I mean, eggs as the main ingredient. What is your favorite recipe? Let me know in the comments. This is done. Right, look at that. Look at that. Beautiful hearty meal. Fresh off the stove. This is my scrambled, or could have been an omelette, but I decided to scramble it. This has potatoes, it has cherry tomatoes, it has cauliflower, it has spring onions, and 3 eggs. However, It's all egg white except one egg yolk. Fish seasoning, a little bit of milk. Very creamy and yummy this is. That's good. That's seriously good. That fish seasoning, the dill. Oh, very, very nice. Yeah. Using eggs as the main ingredient, what's your favorite recipe? But I'd urge you to give this a try. Give it a go, see what you think. Like I said, you can make it into an omelette or you can have it as a scrambled. This is my family's favorite. This is my favorite recipe, and when you're out camping or just come off a big trail doing some outdoor activity, it tastes so good. It's quick to make and yummy. If you've enjoyed this video, please go ahead and subscribe here or down here. If you're not a subscriber, please hit the like button if you've enjoyed what you've seen, and leave me a comment and let me know your favorite egg recipe. And I will see you out and about.